Next example, the point on the curve y is equal to root x minus 1 where the tangent is perpendicular to the line 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is. या कर्वचा पॉइंट पाहिजे आपल्याला, या कर्वचा पॉइंट दॅट इज now tangent is perpendicular. Now its derivative is this. Derivative is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 times square root x minus 1. And this is the slope of the tangent. Now tangent is perpendicular to this. Its slope of this line. Slope is equal to minus 2 by 1. This minus 2 by 1. And then slope of tangent is again slope of tangent is equal to its reciprocal याला perpendicular है, that is 1 by 2. These two are again slopes. I write 1 by 2 1 by square root x minus 1 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Just transfer this. 1 is equal to square root x minus 1 squaring 1 is equal to x minus 1 implies x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 in any equation. X equal to 2 in this equation. X equal to 2. We get y is equal to 2 minus 1. Y is equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Therefore, point is 2 1. 2 1. 2 1. This C option. Next, two parts of the number 20 such that their product is maximum. Number 20 आहे याचे दोन पार्ट्स करायचे. Two parts of this number such that their product is maximum. We find the answer of this question by just observation. Now its product is 75. Product maximum विचारला. Product is maximum 75. It is 100. 12 8 that is 96 and this is 19. Maximum product occurs B option 10 10. That is the splitting. Two parts of the 20 is 10 10. Therefore, maximum product is 100. Next, the least value of the sum of any positive real number and its reciprocal is dash dash. Now, question is check. Least value means what? Minimum value. Least value of sum विचारला. Therefore, function we define first. Function कसा define करायचा? Sum of any positive real number x, its reciprocal आणि त्याचा sum 1 by x. This is the function. हा सम काय पाहिजे लिस्ट सम that is it is minimum पाहिजे. Therefore derivative f dash x equal to x1 1 by x minus 1 by x square, then f double dash x right 1 0 this 1 by x square that is 2 upon x cube. For minimum f double dash greater than 0 पाहिजे. Now points are extreme points from this, that is 1 minus 1 by x square is equal to 0, that is 1 is equal to 1 by x square. Therefore x equal to plus or minus 1. X equal to plus 1 it is positive. X equal to plus 1 ला positive येते. X equal to minus 1 ला negative येईल. Minimum विचारला least sum that is minimum साठी काय हे greater than 0 आलं पाहिजे. greater than 0 येण्यासाठी x positive. Therefore x equal to 1 is the possible value. For x equal to 1 least value that is minimum value is in this x equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 that is 2. It is 2. Therefore least sum is B. It is 2. Next example, the function f of x equal to x log x has maximum value 1 by, has maximum value minus 1 by, minimum value 1 by, minimum value minus 1 by. That is, first we find its derivative for extreme values. F dash x equal to x as it is log x 1 by x, x1 log x, that is it is 1 plus log x, f dash x. Now again I find the second order, f double dash x is equal to 1 0 log x 1 by x. For extreme values we put f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0 we get 1 plus log x equal to 0. Log x equal to minus 1, x equal to e raised to minus 1, that is 1 by e. For x equal to 1 by e, function have maximum or minimum value. For maximum or minimum value we put this value in the f double dash x equal to, put x equal to 1 by e in this, we get f double dash 1 by e is equal to 1 upon 1 by e, that is e just it is greater than 0. Positive, therefore function has minimum value. Minimum value of the function obtained by putting this x equal to 1 by e given function मध्ये टाकूया x equal to 1 by e, we get minimum value. This is minimum value. Minimum value is, put x equal to 1 by in this, 1 by e log 1 by e, that is 1 by e log e raised to minus 1 coefficient minus 1 by e log e as a 1 neglected, this is minus 1 by e. Minimum value is minus 1 by e, D option. Next, example number 5. The function f of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 1 is strictly decreasing. Question बघा काय, strictly decreasing, therefore it is f dash x less than 0. Find out derivative f dash x. F dash x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 to the 6x square. F dash x less than 0, that is for a strictly decreasing function, that is 4x cube minus 6x square less than 0, that is 2x square out, then 2x square out 2x minus 3 less than 0. This is positive, therefore neglected, transpose to 0, that is 2x minus 3 less than 0, therefore 2x less than 3, x is less than 3 by 2, x is less than 3 by 2, it is the for decreasing function x less than 3 by 2. This is for strictly decreasing, D option. Next, the function f of x equal to dash dash is increasing, that is I write increasing for increasing function, again find out derivative. F dash x 3 to the 6x square minus 30x minus 144, that is f dash x equal to 6 out x square minus 5x minus 8 minus, that is 6 to the, yes it is 24. Therefore for increasing it is greater than 0, therefore x square minus 5x minus 24 greater than 0. Two factors x minus 8 x plus 3 greater than 0, that is I write x minus 3 first, x minus 3, I write this first and then x minus 8 greater than 0. Therefore solution set of these two linear, this is a and this is a b, 8 as a b, a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 8. Therefore solution set is x less than minus 3 and x greater than 8, x less than minus 3 and x greater than 8, that is B option, x less than, x greater than 8. Next example, a particle moves in a straight line so that it covers distance atq plus bt plus 5 meter in t seconds. Its acceleration after 4 seconds is 48 meter per second square, then a is equal to, this is the distance covered by, that is this is displacement. I write this is s is equal to atq plus bt plus 5, this is displacement, its derivative it is velocity, ds by dt, it is velocity 3at square plus b. Again its derivative we get acceleration d2s by dt square, that is second order, we get acceleration, or it is just already a use केला, that is 680. Then this acceleration is 48 in 4 seconds, this is acceleration after 4 seconds, put t is equal to 4 in this, that is 680 is equal to 48 when in this t is equal to 4. T is equal to 4, 6a into 4 is equal to 48, that is 6 equal to a is equal to 6 into 4 24, transfer 48 by 24, it is just 2, a is equal to 2. Therefore, value of A is 2, C option. Next, the equation of normal to the curve x equal to y is equal to at theta is equal to pi by 6. That is parametric format is given. Parametric format is given. We find first point theta is equal to pi by 6. In this we get x equal to, put x equal to in this. Put theta is equal to pi by 6. We get a sec pi by 6. That is sec pi by 6. Reverse of cos pi by 6. That is root 3 by 2 reverse 2 by root 3. 2 upon root 3a into a. That is x. Now corresponding y is from this. Y is equal to a tan pi by 6 tan theta tan 30 is 1 by root 3, a by root 3. This is the point corresponding to theta is equal to pi by 6. Now derivatives dy by dx, that is we want slope dy by dx, that is dy upon d theta of this a tan derivative sec square, a sec square theta upon dx by d theta, a sec theta tan theta, sec x sec tan theta, a cancel sec cancel, dy by dx is equal to sec 1 by cos tan sin by cos. That is this cancel, dy by dx equal to 1 by sin theta, at theta is equal to pi by 6, that is sin 30 1 by 2, its reciprocal, dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6 is just 2. Now equation of normal we know that is y minus y1 is this a by root 3 is equal to minus 1 by slope is 2, x minus x1 2a by root 3. Now just simplification of this, cross root 3 y minus a upon root 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 3x minus 2a by root 3. This root 3 cancel. To transfer we get 2 times root 3y minus this 2 again transfer 2a is equal to, here minus inside, minus root 3x plus 2a. Now transfer this root 3x plus 2 times root 3y plus 2a transfer minus 4a is equal to 0. Now this is the final answer, root 3x plus 2 times root 3y minus 4a is equal to 0. That is what? That is root 3x plus 2 times root 3y minus 4a is equal to 0. D option. Check.